Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I got another unboxing video for you, and this time it is Latest in Beauty, and this is the Pamper Time box for November. So it looks like. So if you're new to Latest in Beauty, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you everything there is to know about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious and seeing what I chose in this month's box, then I'll have a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. So Latest in Beauty is a UK monthly subscription box, but it's a little bit different because you get to choose the items that you put inside the box. There's 3 different subscriptions you can go for. You can opt for a 3 product box, which will cost you £9, a 6 product box, which is what I've got, which will cost you £15, or you can opt for a 9 product box, which will cost you £18. You can take out a monthly subscription, which you can cancel anytime, and they offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription as well. Any codes and everything I can find, I'll just pop down below. So underneath this video, see show more, click that. That'll show up the description, and everything will be listed down there, and links to this box as well. So also on their website, they do collection boxes. Now they bring these collection boxes out roughly monthly as well. They're one-off boxes, they're sort of special edition boxes, so no subscribing. So at the moment, this morning, they've just released a brand new collection box, and it's a Grazia, I think it's called a Party Edit. I've just posted up a post about it on my Facebook page, which is the same name, Diaryofabeautygeek. I think it costs £50. It contains like 20 beauty products, and there's a code for £10 off that box until Sunday. So I'll pop that down below as well. But just to give you a sort of idea of the type of things they do. So going back to this subscription then, every month they bring out an edit. So at the very first of the month, they bring out an edit and they show you exactly the products that they'll be releasing daily throughout the month. Now you're not going to know when these products are going to be released, what day they're going to be released on. So if, say for instance, you take out your first subscription on the 1st of November, you've got from the 1st of December until the end of December to choose your products. So as soon as the money comes out, you don't have to get items there and then. You can wait, you can sit it out, see what products are being released throughout the month, and then make your choices. Some months are better than others, and every month they have something called a Hall of Fame. So that means it's a specific product that they have chosen that will always be in stock all throughout the month. So every single one of us can get it if we want to, which also means that the other products that they release, there's only a certain amount of them. So sometimes if it's like an amazing expensive night cream or something like that, then it could be sold out the following day. So there's that gamble. So you're not guaranteed to have the products that you want, unless that is you go onto their website every single day and check. Say if you take a subscription out on, say, I don't know, say the 10th of November, and you opt for a 6 product box, but then when the 1st of December comes and they've released their edit for the month, you decide, no, there's no 6 products that I would actually like from that edit. You have got the option before your money is due to be taken out to actually drop down to 3 products, or vice versa. If there's loads of products you see that you fancy, you can go up to 9 products. So you've got that flexibility, which I think is good. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, I'll pop it down below. But this box is kindly gifted to me. I'm now on Latest in Beauty's PR list, which is amazing. So they send me their boxes monthly, and I get to choose the products. They send me a code, and then I get to choose the products myself. So I'm really, really grateful. So I think I will just get on now to showing you what I chose. It's really heavy this month, really, really heavy. Let's open it up, I'll give you a quick sneak peek. There you go. So in all the monthly subscription boxes, they don't come with a leaflet telling you about the products inside the box, but I will seek them out online and I'll pop links to them down in the description. So if you want to learn a little bit more about them, you're welcome to take a look there. But the first item I got is a gorgeous looking coconut foaming sugar scrub, and it's Foam at Last. This is what it looks like. I've never tried anything from this brand before. It's 250 grams, and it says blended with coconut oil and shea butter, and it contains sugar crystals to gently exfoliate and remove dry skin. And it says a scrub that foams. It's unbelievable. It sounds absolutely wonderful. So let's have a sniff. Ooh, oh my word. See the sugar coming out there. Ooh. Oh, is it too much? No, go back down. Oh, it's just like coconut oil. That is so lovely. That is gorgeous. Oh! On my nose again. I always do this whenever I sniff anything, always. That is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. So no, I can't wait to try that. I've got a bit of an old tan on me at the moment. It's about nearly 2 weeks old, so yeah, it's fading a little bit in patches, so I'll give that a go and see if I can get the rest of the tan off with this. So that's the first item I chose. So next is a drink. This is Snooze, and it's Sweet Dreams Happy Days Natural Sleep Drink, regular, and 135 mils. When I chose this, I didn't really look into it, in all honesty. I saw it and I thought it was tea bags. Yeah, they had regular, and I think the other one they had is strong. So I thought I'd opt for regular, but yeah, it's a herbal food supplement and it's just a one-off drink. So I don't know what that'll be like. Natural sleep drink, 30 minutes before bedtime. So yeah, I'm not going to try it now, just in case I've got to pick my son up from school in a little while. I don't want to be taking this before then. Contains valerian, passion flower, lemon balm and lime blossom, which help you to sleep better so you can be at your best tomorrow. So I'm really excited to give this a go, see what it's like, see if I like it. But yeah, I was expecting it to be tea bags. It's just what we normally get, isn't it? But no, it's an actual drink. So there's that. Next I got a product that is handy. Eyedrops, handy eye drops. It's by Systane and it's lubricant eye drops. Complete optimal dry eye relief, protects all layers of the tear film, soothes, hydrates and restores. Doctor recommended brand, and it's a full size and it's 10 mils there. So that's what it looks like there. I got it because I do tend to get dry eyes. I do tend to get them now and again. So I thought this would be just handy to put in my like medicine cupboard for those moments. How long have I got to use it by? I'm assuming it says here it was created in March 2019 and I've got until September 2020. I think. That's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm looking at anyway. You just pop them in the eye and it's just supposed to help with dryness and soothing and stuff. So yeah, so I thought that would be good to have. So that's the third item. Next I got a Merci Handy and it's Hello Sunshine and it's Love and it's a refreshing face mist and it's 30 mils here. Now the only thing I've ever tried from Merci Handy before is the sanitizing gels. They're lovely. They're cute little bottles and they've got, some of them have got like little beads in them as well. My daughter absolutely loves them. But yeah, I didn't realise they did other things as well. So this is a face spray. Don't know too much about it, but what's it say? No drops, just a soft water cloud. Incredible. It smells like holidays. Our scent ingredient is love. And it says, after workout, under pressure, riding the subway, at the beach or even after love, we're always hot. Keep you fresh and make you happy. Close your eyes. Psst. Okay, and smile. I love these sprays. I've got loads of them and I've got another one in the box as well. But I just thought, oh, what is it like? Oh, that is nice. It's really... Oh, it does smell nice. It's really fine. Really, really fine. Oh, that is lovely. Yeah, I'm not sure when I'd use it. More so in the summertime, something like this, I think, isn't it? Just to like freshen up my face if I'm feeling hot. So maybe winter is the wrong time to have it. I don't know, because I tend to go for sprays that do things like hydrate my skin or protect against the environment, things like that. But no, I think this is just a natural sort of refreshing face mist. So it's nice. It is nice. So is that. Next I got a repeat from last month's box. And these are biodegradable wipes. I thought they were amazing and I've still got them. I've still got more than half a pack left. I keep wipes in this room because it's where I do my makeup and everything. I thought these are still available, so I'm going to get another pack. So that's what they look like there. So a nice big pack. There's 56 wipes in here and it's by Mum and You. And it says 100% biodegradable baby wipes, as gentle as cotton wool and water, suitable for newborns. Yeah, so I got another pack. And lastly, I chose the Hall of Fame product for this month. And it's the Angelique, it's the face mist. That's what it looks like there. I'm sure it's got a better name than that. Yeah, Rosewater Balancing Mist, Intense Deluxe Edition. We've got 200 mils here. I have actually got one of these. I received it in a special edition or limited edition box a good couple of months ago, so I'm actually going to be gifting this to a friend of mine. I'm not going to be spraying it, I'm not going to be using it, but I just wanted to show you what it looked like. Leave skin feeling softer, smoother and more deeply hydrated with our Rosewater Balancing Mist Intense Deluxe Edition, infused with precious rose extracts. And it says, lightly mist onto the face or mist onto hands and gently press onto the skin. Use twice a day following cleansing or any time skin feels dehydrated. So there's that. That's the last of the items I chose. So yeah, so those are all the items I chose in this month's Latest in Beauty box. I'm really chuffed with them. A few familiars, few items I've tried before, but I'm looking forward to trying that coconut body scrub, the foaming one. That sounds and smells absolutely gorgeous. The eye drops are going to be handy, and also the sleep drink. That's a bit different. So a little bit different there. So I'll see what that is like. I'm going to try it tonight. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's edit? Have you got your box yet? If you subscribe, that is. Or is this not a box that takes your fancy? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. So thanks for watching. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.